Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have made a easy fried rice recipe using mushrooms. This can be made out of leftover rice or freshly cooked rice and can be sent in the lunch box as well. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. So let's begin. So I placed a wok on fire into which I've added oil and heated it up. Into it goes finely chopped ginger, garlic, green chilies and onions. We'll saute it for a minute or two. Make sure you don't burn it. Now add the sliced mushrooms into this along with a little bit of salt and saute it for 5 minutes. Then add in the white portion of the spring onions and give it a toss for a few minutes. Now let's add soy sauce, red chilli sauce, a little bit of vinegar. Mix everything together and add a little water to this and let it cook for 2 minutes. Once this is nicely cooked, we'll add in the leftover rice or the cooked rice. I've used short grain rice here. Mix it all up and then add salt to taste, a little bit of sugar which is optional. Give it a mix and now add some freshly crushed pepper. Mix everything together, making sure the sauces coat all the rice, and then add in the green portion of the spring onions to this. Toss everything once again and the simple mushroom fried rice is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.